Hey there, folks. You ever driven through a tunnel? It's a pretty common experience, right? You enter, drive through, and come out the other side. Simple enough. Sure you have. Now, imagine driving through one that's not under a mountain, but under the ocean. Picture the water above you, the marine life swimming just a few feet away. That's the Qingdao Bay Tunnel. And let me tell you, it's a beast. This isn't just any tunnel, it's a marvel of modern engineering. This engineering marvel in China isn't just a shortcut, it's a testament to what happens when people put their minds together and say, we're connecting this city, no matter what. The planning, the precision, the sheer determination, it's all there. This tunnel, stretching over 4 miles, isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's a journey through human ingenuity and perseverance. It's about connecting communities, boosting the economy, and showing what's possible when we push the limits of engineering. Imagine the lives changed, the businesses thriving, all because of this one tunnel. It's like building a bridge, but instead of going over, you're going under. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. Think about the pressure down there, the water, the mud, the sheer scale of it. The logistics alone are mind-boggling. Think about the pressure down there, the water, the mud, the sheer scale of it. The logistics alone are mind-boggling. The technology and expertise required are on another level. This isn't your average construction project, folks. It's a testament to human ambition and the relentless pursuit of progress. So, next time you drive through a tunnel, think about the incredible feats of engineering that make it possible. Before you even think about concrete and steel under the ocean, you need a plan. A detailed, meticulous plan that considers every possible variable. Imagine a team of engineers huddled over maps and charts, scratching their heads, debating every detail. They're not just looking at lines on paper, they're envisioning a massive structure beneath the waves. Their challenge? Connecting 2 parts of Qingdao separated by the Jiaozhou Bay. This isn't just a local issue. It's a significant logistical challenge that impacts thousands of people daily. See, ferries were slow, and going around the bay added a whole lot of travel time. Traffic congestion was a daily nightmare, and the economic impact was substantial. The idea of a tunnel, though seemingly crazy, started to make more sense as the most direct route. A tunnel, though a crazy idea, was the most direct route. It promised to cut travel time drastically and ease the daily grind for commuters. But there were a lot of what-ifs. What if the tunnel leaks? What about earthquakes? These were not just minor concerns, they were potential deal-breakers. What if the tunnel leaks? What about earthquakes? The risks were enormous, and the consequences of failure were catastrophic. How do you even build something this big underwater? The logistics alone were mind-boggling. Specialized machinery, diving suits, and underwater construction techniques were just the beginning. These weren't just academic questions, they were real-world problems that needed solving. Every potential issue had to be addressed with practical, actionable solutions. They had to study the seafloor, the tides, the weather, everything. Every environmental factor could impact the tunnel's construction and long-term viability. This was about more than just digging a hole, it was about making sure that hole didn't become a watery grave. Safety measures had to be foolproof, ensuring the tunnel could withstand the test of time and nature. Designing this underwater beast was no walk in the park. Think about it. You're building a tube that needs to withstand incredible pressure from the water above, resist corrosion from salt water, and handle the constant movement of the sea floor. It's like building a bridge that's always underwater and has cars driving through it. To tackle these challenges, engineers use some seriously high-tech stuff. They use special concrete, stronger than anything you'd find on a regular construction site, reinforced with steel to handle the pressure. They even created massive sections of the tunnel on land, like giant Lego pieces, and then floated them out and sank them into place. Talk about underwater construction. Building this thing was like a scene out of a sci-fi movie. The sheer scale and complexity of the project were mind-boggling. Imagine massive machines working day and night digging into the seabed. These machines were not just ordinary diggers, they were technological marvels designed to withstand the harshest conditions. Giant dredgers scooped out mud and rock, creating a trench deep enough to lay the tunnel sections. Meanwhile, cranes lowered pre-built tunnel sections into the trench with pinpoint precision, ensuring each piece fit perfectly. And let's not forget the divers, working hundreds of feet below the surface, welding and bolting these sections together. Their job was incredibly dangerous, requiring both skill and bravery. Talk about a tough job. These workers faced some of the most challenging conditions imaginable. They had to battle tides, storms, and even the occasional curious sea creature. The ocean is an unpredictable and often unforgiving environment. It wasn't always smooth sailing. The weather could turn in an instant, making an already difficult job even harder. There were leaks, equipment failures, and the constant pressure of working in such a hostile environment. Every day brought new challenges that had to be overcome. But these crews, they were tough. They had a resilience and determination that kept them going, no matter what obstacles they faced. They knew they were part of something special, something that had never been done before on this scale. Their hard work and dedication would leave a lasting legacy. Imagine this. You've spent years digging, pouring concrete, and welding underwater. Now, the two ends of the tunnel are getting closer and closer. The tension builds with each passing day. Finally, the moment arrives. The last section is lowered into place, connecting the two halves. It's a moment of triumph, a testament to the hard work and dedication of thousands of people. But the work wasn't over yet. They still had to waterproof the entire tunnel, pave the road surface, install lighting and ventilation, and make sure everything was safe for drivers. Think of it like putting the finishing touches on a house, except this house is underwater and stretches for miles. After years of planning, designing, and pure grit, the Qingdao Jiaozhou Bay Tunnel finally opened to traffic. Can you imagine the feeling of driving through that tunnel for the first time? Looking out the window and seeing nothing but water above you? It's an experience that would make anyone feel like they were in a James Bond movie. But this wasn't just about the wow factor. This tunnel was a game changer. It cut travel time between the two parts of Qingdao by a whopping 30 minutes, boosted the local economy, and showed the world what China was capable of. This wasn't just a tunnel, it was a symbol of progress and innovation. The Qingdao Jiaozhou Bay Tunnel is more than just an underwater road. It's a reminder that we can achieve incredible things when we work together and push the limits of what's possible. Think about the teamwork, the problem solving, the sheer guts it took to build this thing. It's enough to inspire anyone. From engineers to everyday folks like you and me, the tunnel is proof that we're not afraid of a challenge. Whether it's building underwater, reaching for the stars, or finding new ways to solve our problems, the human spirit of innovation is alive and well. And that, my friends, is something worth celebrating.